Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl GH Kings, your baby girl Jennifer. So on today's video, I'm actually going to be braiding my hair. I'm using this brand. It's called Spectra. This is the hair. So I bought this from local beauty supply store like usual. The hair comes in 10 bundles. Okay, it says 10x right there, and I purchased it for $13.99. I asked the beautician, she said one pack would be enough, so that's all that I have. If it's not enough, I'm gonna just go straight there and buy more hair, because this hair needs to last me till February, okay, to probably like the end of February. So because I want this hair to actually last me for that long, I use the technique. It's straightforward, it's simple. Okay, so I conditioned my hair yesterday with honey because I wanted my roots to be as soft as possible and as moisturized as possible. And then yesterday I applied the Divine Care natural hair butter to my hair, and then I twisted my hair. And this morning I just used a brush to detangle my hair, and then I parted my hair, sectioned it into all these sections. So each section I have actually braided the bottom, boss braid the bottom, and then I left the ends. I did this because I want the hair to be locked in moisture with the hair butter that I applied. Throughout the whole 2 months I'm gonna have this hair in, I'm going to be using oil to oil my scalp. I might wash my hair once, I'm not sure. I might just use apple cider vinegar to tap my scalp to clean it, probably. I use this technique so that my hair will last longer, it will look neater for a longer period of time. Yeah, so if you actually new with hair braiding, you don't know how to grip hair, this is a technique that you can actually use. You just braid the bottom of your of your hair, the root of your hair, and then you just add the extensions to it. It makes the process easy. It helps with the gripping of hair if you don't know how to grip hair. And even if you do, it makes it last longer. It makes the hair looks neater for a longer period of time. So yeah, the hair's already sectioned. It took me literally like an hour to do all this, okay, with detangling and doing all this. So yeah, it takes time, but it's worth it. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you a couple of how I do the braids, and I'm gonna go off and then finish it and show you guys how it looks. Even start, I just want to show you guys how the hair looks like. This is one bundle, okay. It has 10 bundles. This is one bundle, and each one is like, I think, 26 inches. So yeah, it's actually pretty long. It is long, and I got color too, by the way. So let's see how many braids I can do with each pack. And the hair is already pre-stretched for you, so you don't have to really worry about anything. What you gotta do is to just take sections and go ahead and braid the hair. Guys, so this is what I ended up with using a pack, using a bundle. Okay, the hair is actually nice, the ends are pretty nice. Okay, I didn't do anything because it's already for the tip. So yeah, it's actually nice. I'm still gonna dip in hot water, and yeah, I think there is a lot of hair in the pack, in a bundle basically, because these are like medium sized hair, and it has the yucky texture to it, so it's very nice. I'm still braiding, and I will just show you guys as I improve, because I already did one here. I'm probably gonna leave this right here and then show you guys again, but it's just regular buzz braids. That's why I don't wanna waste time here braiding here for you guys to see. But okay, so I just finished using the third pack. I just take this is the fourth pack. I think I might use 4 packs and maybe a little bit more, I'm not sure. But I'm really surprised, okay, that all these braids, okay, are from 3 bundles. I'm really surprised. The hair is actually, it's actually nice, and there is a lot in, you know, each bundle. So yeah, let's see if this fourth bundle will make it, or I might use a bit more. Alright guys, so I just finished using the fourth bundle, but I have 2 more braids, so I just took the 5th one, and yeah, I'm just gonna do these 2 and that'll be it. So basically I'm gonna use 4 bundles and like 2 pieces from this basically. So I do like this hair. I'm actually really surprised. Okay, and it was $13.99. So the next time I decide to braid or twist my hair, I'm gonna use the other remaining 5 bundles and the rest from here. The hair is very light and it's long. It's like waist length for me. It's actually almost tailbone because I'm really short, but yeah. And this is how it's looking like. I'm gonna dip the ends in hot water, but I'm not gonna show you guys because it's not needed. And on my next video, if I decide to style it up or accessorize it, I'm going to share that with you guys. So I'm finally done, and this is the hair. So it's basically 25 inches. I really love it. Like guys, I use, like I said, it comes in 10 bundles. I use 4 bundles and just 2 braids from the 5th bundle, and it's waist length is, to me, is almost tailbone length because I'm short. But yeah, it's very light, but then it's full. I really like it, and I also like the method that I use. So yeah, if you guys wanna try a different brand, you know, hair for like extensions like boss braids, I will actually recommend it because it was $13.99 and I basically used almost half of the pack. Okay, so let's say even if it's $14, let's say I use like $7. Okay, everything here costs $7, let's just assume. So I'm just gonna dip the ends in hot water. I need to boil the water first, and like I said, I don't need to show you guys that process. And then once I'm done, I'm going to just give it a trim, just a little trim. You see, like right here, just cut these excess ones from there. I don't really need to dip this in hot water honestly, but I'm just gonna do it just to seal it. Okay, so yeah, and maybe in another video, if I do accessorize it, like I said, I'm going to show you guys, you know. But yeah, this is it. This is the end result. I really like braids for cold weather because it actually helps protect the hair. You know, you don't manipulate the hair is protected, you know. And like with this too, you can wear hats if you want to, but I like to wear, like, you know, hoodies from jackets. So yeah, it's full, so you're not gonna really get cold in your scalp and all that stuff, and I like it. It's full, but it's not a lot. The hair is very light. So I think I'll end this video right here. I have a lot of things to do. Today's my off day, and yeah, I have so many things to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you, and as always, God loves you more. And like I said, if I do decorate the hair, I'm gonna create a whole video for you guys, but this is it for this video. That's the length again. I'm just gonna cut this off, and that'll be it. Bye. By the way, the hair is also pretty neat. Okay, it's pretty neat. So yeah, I really like it. I'm so in love with it, and I like the method that I used. So yeah, with that method, the hair should last for longer than it would normally do. So yeah, see you guys on my next one.